Let's take a look at creating conceptual buildings. The Create panel provides different object types to use as a starting point for creating objects. You can use several types of 3D primitives, as well as lines and 2D shapes. To create an object, first choose an object type. Drag in the viewport to define the base of the box. Release the left mouse button and then move the mouse to set the box's height. Click once more to confirm the box's height. Right-click in the viewport to end the creation process. To further sculpt and shape your object, go into the Modify panel. The Modify panel lets you change parameters related to a selected object. It also provides access to modifiers, which are tools that deform objects in various ways. Here, we'll use modifiers to turn the box into a tower. To pick a modifier, make a selection from the alphabetized list. You can also jump through the list by pressing the first letter of the modifier name. After you apply a modifier, it is inserted above the current entry in the modifier stack. To turn a modifier's effect on or off in the stack, click its light bulb icon. When multiple modifiers are applied to the object, the modifier stack evaluates them from bottom to top. Swapping modifiers alters the stack order, which can impact the final result. You can move, rotate, and scale your object in 3D space using the transform commands. To move your object, press W. The transform icon, also called a gizmo, displays each axis in a specific color. To move along one axis, click and drag the corresponding arrow. To move on two axes, drag the plane handle where the two axes meet. To rotate an object, press E and then drag an axis handle. You can also perform a free rotation by dragging the area within the three arcs. To scale an object, press R and then drag the desired part of the gizmo. Dragging the center scales the object uniformly, while the axes and plane handles scale it non-uniformly. To enter specific transform values, use the transform type-in boxes on the status bar controls. In the next movie, we'll import and manage objects in our scene.